Welcome to our channel, everybody. Please watch my video till the end, it may benefit you in your future life. May Allah bless you with good health. Pomegranates are the most frequently mentioned fruit in theological books, and for a good reason. This heavenly red fruit is not only delicious but also offers tons of health benefits. Surprisingly, the antioxidant content of pomegranates is nearly 3 times more than wine and green tea. In this video, we will share the health benefits of eating pomegranates every day. Keep watching to find out. 1. Pomegranate thins the blood. Clot formation is a natural phenomenon that helps you recover from a cut. However, when your blood is too thick, clots can form inside your blood vessels and stop blood flow to your heart and other organs. Pomegranates contain antioxidants which are great thinners of blood. Moreover, seeds of pomegranates contain particular substances which prevent your platelets from becoming overactive and making clot. 2. Pomegranate fight heart disease and prostate cancer. Our current sedentary lifestyle and junk food overconsumption affect the health of our blood vessels. Pomegranates have potent antioxidant properties which help prevent atherosclerosis, a disease in which vessel walls harden and get blocked by cholesterol plaques. Studies show that pomegranate juice can help fight prostate cancer. They fight cancer by slowing down the growth of and even killing cultured cancer cells. 3. Pomegranate prevent plaque formation. Pomegranates have strong anti-plaque properties. Studies show that pomegranate juice can even be a better option than mouthwash in improving oral health. The hydroalcoholic content of pomegranate helps lower dental plaque formation by nearly 84%. Instead of using alcohol-containing mouthwashes, you can increase your intake of pomegranate juice for a healthier mouth. If this information is useful to you, please click the like button, subscribe channel, to receive my most recent advice on diet and health. For pomegranate increase oxygen delivery to the body. Eating pomegranates is like putting on an oxygen mask. Pomegranates have strong antioxidant properties which prevent blood clots, decrease cholesterol levels, and fight free radicals. This ensures that blood can easily flow to all parts of your body and deliver adequate amounts of oxygen. 5. Pomegranate makes memory strong. One study showed that drinking 237 milliliters of pomegranate juice every day helped improve people's verbal and visual memory suffering from memory problems. A lab experiment on mice showed that pomegranates might even help fight Alzheimer's disease. 6. Pomegranate improves digestion. Fiber is known for its role in improving digestion. We tend to eat a lot of junk food every day, so our fiber intake is often below normal. Low fiber intake can cause many health problems, such as constipation. Pomegranates are a great source of fiber. 1 pomegranate can fulfill 45% of your daily fiber requirement. 7. Pomegranate make bones strong and improve athletic performance. Pomegranates contain lots of flavonols which help prevent cartilage damage and osteoarthritis. Many studies have testified the beneficial effect of pomegranates on bone health. The antioxidant content of pomegranates is excellent at boosting athletic performance. This is why many athletes consume pomegranates to improve their performance and to build endurance. 8. Pomegranate boost fertility. Many people don't know that pomegranates can help improve fertility because of their antioxidant properties. Pomegranates reduce oxidative stress on the body. Oxidative stress can cause sperm dysfunction and decrease fertility in women. This red fruit also has a significant effect on your sex life. Pomegranates increase testosterone levels, increasing blood flow to the genital region. This property has earned the fruit its nickname, natural Viagra. 9. Pomegranate boost immunity. Pomegranates are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that help boost your immunity. This is particularly helpful for people suffering from an immune disorder, such as rheumatoid arthritis. The vitamin C content of pomegranates also helps increase antibody production in your body. These were some of the health benefits of eating pomegranates. Incorporating them into your everyday meals is a great way to prevent many diseases, such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. I thank you so much watching my video today, and as always, I wish you good health, prosperity, and happiness. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well.